Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add a subscriber to your Mailchimp account. So let's start. When you're going to click on audience in Mailchimp, you want to click here on view contacts. And when you're going to be here, you want to click on here on add a contact, and then you're going to see add a subscriber. When you're going to click on add a subscriber, you just need to add like simple email address that you want to add him, first name, and then you can add the address here, last name, where he's from, phone or where she's from, phone number, birthday, or you can add him also to text like it's a customer. And then you just need to click here this, like, this person gave me permission to email them, and if this person is already in my audience, update the profile, you can actually choose it. So right now just click subscribe, and when I would go here, like want to subscribe more than one person time, you can import an audience. There's also the one thing that you can like do. Now to have it, when I go to overview, I go to manage contacts and view contacts. And here I can go and I can see it right here. So this is the mail I got. So thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.